Hi, Kelly. I just wanted to record a quick video for you to show you how to create a product in Infusionsoft with an order form. So now we're working off of the Income Now giveaway fee, and I can show you everything. I have absolutely 100% no idea why it's doing this. So anyway, you might have to call Infusionsoft customer support to figure that out, but let me just walk you through the process anyway. All right, so first thing you do is go to products and then view products, which is what we're in now, and then you want to create a product, which I've already done with this, but I'll just show you. We'll just add a test product, and then you're going to name it test. Wait a minute, my keyboard's awkward. Okay. Save it. Okay. And so then it's a product, and you want to write a short description of what it is. And then you can write a longer description here when you click this to edit. So it would be here is where you're going to write the long description here. Now, you don't have to have a long description, but let me show you what that'll end up looking like in the order form. Oop, that's not it. This is the order form here, the finished product. So I believe that the long description goes here, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, you can experiment around with that to see where it goes. So I'm going to save that. So then the next thing that you do is, put in the price, which is, we'll put that here for the giveaway. It'd be $100. And then save it, of course. And then you go to subscription plans, and there should be no subscription plans here. So the way this came out, it looks like there's a subscription plan, and I'll show you how to do that in another video for anything that we need to do with a subscription. So I don't know what's going on there. All right, next thing is the product image. So this is something that appears right here on the finished order form. So this is like what this looks like if you just use the link from the product. So it's not fancy at all, but we want to make it fancy in this order form. And so the image that you put here shows up here. So, and the main reason that that's handy for, besides just kind of looking nice in the invoice, is also so that when we look at the full list of products here, we can easily zoom in on it. So if you notice, I'm using the same photograph for me for all the private coaching, so that I can immediately look through here and find the private coaching products that I'm looking for, as opposed to like the group coaching, which I don't know that I have something for that. Anyway, so what I would suggest we use for this is just the logo, Income Now. And again, it's so we can identify it easily here in the list of products, and also so that it'll look nice here. And it's not a square, so I don't know, you just put white space on top or bottom or something like that. All right, so going back to our test. So we've done that. We've uploaded the product image here, and then the product options. I don't think we need any of that. And the links, we don't need any of that. Okay. So now once you have your product, now what you want to do is go into the main thingy, my bopper here, and go to e-commerce setup. All right, so from that, this is where I do most of the stuff from the products. So if you see, click here, these are order form themes. So these are the themes that are already set up, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So basically a theme is something where you can plant a header in it. Like for this one, I have the Business Freedom Academy, which obviously we don't want to appear on this because the two don't have anything to do with each other. So that would be a great place to put the header for for this giveaway fee, right? The full header, that would be a great place to put it there. So I have themes that, like for the private coaching, if you notice, I have multiple products that have that private coaching. They're, pay in full options and different, 6-month or 12-month packages. So they all use this same theme. And then I have other ones. I don't even know what they are at this point. But so what we could probably do is, for this one, is use the heart-centered, no, not really. This one. Let's use this one. No, let's not. So this is my last Summit, the VIP upgrade package. So that might be a good theme to use when you create the product for the upgrade package for Income Now. So let me just show you what that looks like. If you're going to use this theme, you can edit it here, and I'll show you what's involved in a theme. So see, that's where you're going to put the header. And then also you can place stuff in the HTML areas. Now, the only thing that I like to put in the HTML area, I have some code that will remove the PayPal button. Now, I use that when I do anything that has a payment plan, because I'm not using PayPal's payment plan thing. It's too expensive. So that's not true for the giveaway. We don't have to worry about that now, nor will it be true for the VIP upgrade package. But just so you know, I do have some code that will get rid of the PayPal button. But these are the things that you can do in this theme. And labels, I don't mess with that. And then edit CSS, I don't do anything with that. All right, so let's go back to e-commerce setup. So what we need to do is create an order form. Well, wait a minute. So first, let's create an order form theme. You know what? Based on that, I think we can just use the order form theme. No, we'll have to create our own order form theme because we're going to put a brand new no. I'm going back and forth. Yeah, well, you will actually create our own order form theme based on the one for last year, because it seems like all we're going to do is put the correct header in it. So we'll use this, and let's go. So that's the CAB VIP upgrade. So we're going to create a new theme, and we'll just have it look like that. We're not going to, I think that's what we basically do. And I don't know, you can change this if you want. These are kind of the different templates that we have to work with. So for this color wise, I don't know. What do you think? Should we? Nah, I don't know. We'll just use something simple. We'll keep it simple. Use this theme. And then we're going to name this Income Now. So I'll name it for this Income Now. So I'm doing this on the test. You can go ahead and do this on the actual Income Now thing. All right, so here's where you're going to put the banner. Okay, so I don't have the banner handy, so I'll let you do that. All right, so once we've created our theme, and again, we'll use this same theme because the only thing about the theme is that it's what houses the, what do you call it? The banner, right? The banner. So we'll use this theme for both the giveaway fee and the upgrade package. All right, so once we've created that, we will go to back to e-commerce setup, and we'll go to order forms, and we're going to create an order form. So I've already created it for the Income Now giveaway. So let's just go ahead and use that. So we're going to click on that, just pretend like, but otherwise if you're starting from scratch, then you would just create a new and you would name it. And I usually give it the same name as the product or close to it. And then I'm going to click on that, but under theme, I'm going to pick our new theme now. I had did just have the basic. So I'm going to make this one active. And okay, so now that will give us that template, and feel free to change this to create a new theme if you don't like this color scheme. And the HTML areas, we don't need anything in that. Now the thank you page is always, I just have this generic thank you page in here that I kind of use because most of the products that I use that I create are about my coaching packages, and so like this is for one and this is for another, and I just have those in there so that all I have to do is delete the ones that I don't want. So in this case, you're going to delete all of them and put in our banner here. This is the thank you email that somebody will this is the thank you page. Now, all right, so two options here for the giveaway and the VIP upgrade package. We can either create a thank you page here in Infusionsoft or create one in WordPress, which I think always looks nicer. when you do that. So in that case, you would just go web address here, and then you would type in, income now, summit.com/thank you, or whatever you call the page there. All right. So that's that. So we don't have to fuss over the thank you page. Settings. I like to hide the promo code field on anything that there isn't a promo code. That's already ticked here, so that's great. And then this is the link that we're going to use, and this is like the long form link, and you can customize it here. I kind of tend to use the long form link only because I tend to like change my mind about what to put in the back here, and then I forget that I did that. And anyway, so either one, you could use either one of those links to send. That is what you're going to send as the payment link, not the link from the product. So remember over here under view products, we also had a link here, and we're not going to give them this link because when we do, we're not going to give them this link because when we do, they'll get this. So instead, we'll go to e-commerce setup, order forms. We'll find our order form here, and it will be all niceyed up because you're going to go back to the theme that I just named IN Income Now, and you're going to put our banner in that theme. We've already selected the themes, or you can select another one. We don't have anything in the HTML area. You're going to put this to the web address. Settings we don't worry about except for that. Right, and then the link. So this is the link that we're going to use. All right, so when we do that, this is what, when we use this link, this is what it will look like. So the picture that you put under products will appear here, and the banner that you put under the theme I just created will appear here. This should not appear, and if it does, just call Infusionsoft customer service, and both of these buttons should appear, the PayPal or the pay with credit card. All right, so that's how to create a product with an order form, so that it'll look nice like this instead of like that. Thank you, Kelly. Bye-bye.